See this measuring cup? This is what I was using to store my drinks. But bye. Cheers to no more measuring cups and spring break forever. Hi everyone, my name is Maddie. I'm on the social team here at FabFitFun, and today I'm showing you 5 of FabFitFun's favorite spring break items from the spring edit sale. If you don't already know, FabFitFun has edit sales every season that features products up to 70% off. Edit sales are exclusive to FabFitFun members, so if you're not a member, sign up right here and join in on the fun. All the products I talk about today will be linked in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel so you never miss out on any fun things happening. Let's get into the video. First up, we have the Dr. Brandt Mattifying Hydrator Pore Minimizing Gel. This is a mattifying gel that hydrates and mattifies for up to 8 hours. For people with oily skin like me, you're going to love this product because it leaves your skin feeling very matte, but also hydrated and not like dry. This product can tell the difference between sebum and water, meaning that it can pull out the excess oil while leaving the hydration in. This gel primer has light diffusing powders that help blur the pores for that seamless, flawless look. You're going to love this product because I love this product. I love this because it actually doesn't strip away natural oils, which causes even more breakouts, but instead just leaves your skin feeling really hydrated and smooth. Let's test this bad boy out. So I'm gonna put one pump on my skin. So it's a blue color. It's really hydrating and cooling, and it doesn't leave any blue residue, so don't freak out. It's a really clean scent, but it's not powerful, so if you don't like fragrance in your skincare, this one is perfect for you. Honestly, I can tell the difference between my hands. Can you tell the difference? This one's really smooth, and I feel like I have no pores. What better way to start spring break than with a new pair of cute sunnies, and these are from Summer and Rose, the Monica style. These are aviators, and they also have these cute white little ear flaps. What are these called? White edges. I'm gonna put them on. I feel like a fly woman. These sunnies are perfect for a beach day, you know, nice little stroll, riding on the back of a motorcycle, flying a plane. Wherever you wear these, you will be looking fly as heck. Pilot Pete, I'm coming for your brand. These sunnies look great with any outfit, any type face. Don't worry, if you're not blessed like me and look good in any sunglasses, these are still gonna look amazing on you. Next up, we have the Miamica Hibiscus Resealable Bags. These come in a pack of 12, like your favorite beer. We're gonna open these. I love the pattern of these, and they're super big. These packs are carry-on compliant, meaning they're perfect for all your travels. You can put in your face wash, your toner, your cleansers, fried shrimp, garlic shrimp, shrimp salad, anything will fit in these bags. They're perfect. These are great if you're looking for a sustainable or eco-friendly option for when you're traveling, because you could reuse these over and over again while on the go. Do you guys remember when you were rushing to school and your mom was like, hurry up, just grab breakfast, and you had to put cereal like Honey Nut Cheerios in this bag with the milk, with the spoon, and you're in the car and then the milk spilled everywhere because the bag wasn't big enough? Not me. But if it was you, then this bag would be perfect for that situation. Next up, we have the 2 Bandits Bandit Square Hoops. This pack comes in a set of 2 with 1 smaller hoop and 1 bigger hoop. I really love wearing hoops during the springtime because I like to wear really lightweight dresses. I don't really put a lot of effort into my looks, but this really ties your outfit together. And you know what they say, the bigger the hoops, the bigger the attitude. These hoops have a post backing, which means that they're not gonna fall out when you're taking a stroll down the beach or dancing in a club. Next up, we have the XO Sienna Adventures Ahead Travel Cup. If you're having a wild spring break like I am, in bed reading some books, then you're gonna really need the super cute travel cup because it comes in my favorite color pink. It also has a stainless steel straw and a twistable top. This is perfect for iced beverages because it's insulated, which means it'll keep your drinks cool. During spring break, I'm gonna put White Claws, iced coffees, vodka crayons. That's all I drink. This is a major upgrade from the plastic cup that I was using that is harmful for our environment and for our turtles. Cheers to saving the turtles. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching FabFitFun's 5 spring break faves from the edit sale. Make sure you go over to fabfitfun.com/edit to shop the sale and let me know down below what you're purchasing. Cheers to spring break forever. Bye everyone, happy shopping. I don't like the word pores. Line. Bye Sarah. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Can I add like a caca at the end?